Where is that dude? Bro, what's wrong? Come on, dude, speak to me.
You really wanna know?
Of course.
For real?
Yeah.
After hearing this, he will stop annoying me.
Yeah.
He's,
Of course.
he's been annoying me for like few hours ago.
Sorry, man.
Anyways, I just watched all season of Cobra Kai and
And then,
yeah, it was a great movie.
why are you acting like this? Since you watched that movie.
Let me tell you something. Cobra Kai is the best show that I watched this year.
Okay? And then,
And you should watch that.
of course.
That's great. And I never expected this will be my reaction after watching it.
Oh.
You should watch that, man. Not gonna lie, it's the best.
I will watch that later.
I just wish.
Wish? Huh? What wish? What do you mean?
I just wish I never watched that movie, man. It was
Oh.
great, but I never felt sad like this.
Oh.